It's up to you, man. Okay.
So what
I
you
mean, like,
wanted,
you
you
mind
wanted to
if
know?
I annotate?
No problem, no problem. So you wanted to talk about inducement, right?
Yeah, inducement, brother.
So yeah, this I don't know. This is the new hype called inducement. So inducement are same thing as a internal liquidity. As you know, we are taught by same mentor. Don't call his name.
Okay.
So okay. So these are the internal liquidity areas. Like so,
Yeah.
I told you about one candle today, which we will don't
Okay.
reveal here. So this was the
Yeah.
same
Okay.
candle here. So this can be our point of interest. This first one,
Okay.
because this one taken out all the liquidity before all these traps areas, and after taking
Okay.
out this liquidity here we have like you can say high low, same thing, high low, high, so then again high, low. This was the lower low. So this lower low, people will call this as an inducement area. Okay, this lower low.
Yeah. But yeah, bro, can I ask this question? Can I annotate for a bit?
Wait, 1 second. This
Okay.
lower low, people will call this as an inducement area. Okay, and this lower
Okay.
low, after making this lower low, lower high, sorry, price just broken out this last lower high, lower low. We have break of market structure in here. So to take out this lower high, this is what people call as a inducement, and we call this as an internal liquidity. As you also know what is internal liquidity very well, right?
Yeah.
So this is the inducement. People will call this as inducement, and this was the last sponsorship candle. So this hit it and dropped.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you were saying?
Yeah. You mind if I annotate?
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Okay. I mean, like, okay, let's say price broke here, right? And
Yeah.
price came back, right? And he broke it.
Okay.
We won't know this area is going to get induced, right? It might just come here and just go down, right?
Yeah.
We won't
Sure.
know, right? Okay,
Okay.
so I can clear. Yeah?
So
Okay.
you wanted to take entries, like how you want to take entries, how you take those entries.
Yeah, I mean, like, we won't know the area that I draw, right, is inducement, right?
So you can see that,
You get
like
what I
you are
mean,
saying,
brother?
like, yeah. So what you are saying, like a
Okay.
price after making out this internal liquidity, lower high, price just broken out. So you missed, price didn't come back to this point of interest, if only if, and this is just broken out here. So why looking for sells again? Like
Yeah.
you can in our 1 hour structure, you can see prices overall bullish. So you can take buys as well from here.
Yeah.
From
Yeah,
this lower high.
I mean, like, you said this is the inducement high, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like, price might come here and continue, right? Doesn't mean it has to induce it, right?
Bro, this is just broken out. That is small structure. Major structure is there. Like this will be the major structure. This can be also a major structure. You can see after this coming to this lower high, price just taken out and just gave us some good pips, and again retracement and this last lower high, and again back up.
Yeah.
So you can just look
Yeah, I
for
mean,
buy to sell, yeah, or sell to buy.
yeah, I mean, like, we can trade from here, or price can, like, go to the top and trade,
Yeah,
because
exactly.
we won't know this is gonna be induced to, right?
Yeah.
You get what I mean?
Yeah.
We
Sure.
won't know this high is going to get induced, right? It can just happen. Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
Okay.
And look,
Yeah.
always look for those areas. Like if price is dropping, something like. So this will be your low resistance liquidity. You know what lower
Okay.
resistance liquidity? It is a last lower high. Like if price is
Yeah.
moving something like high, low, high, low, high, low, and high, then low,
SMS.
then lower high. Yeah. This
Yeah.
this SMA low, I call this as a low resistance liquidity. So this is the same last
Okay.
internal liquidity. People call this as a inducement area. So always
Okay.
wait for something like you can look for buys around some. You can buys around some good areas like around here, some breaker or mitigation block. Then look for this low rational liquidity run to be taken out, and then sell from this sponsor candle.
Okay.
We can't catch
Oh,
all the moves. Like we just need to think the same way. And I had sells
okay.
from here as well.
From where?
Yeah, because I was
Here. From
watching
here.
volume as well. Yeah. No, yeah,
Oh, okay.
I was waiting for this lower high to be taken out first. Then this was my point of
Oh,
interest. But I closed my full position here after
okay.
this low got taken out, because I
Okay.
was looking for buy around this area, but I didn't bought it and left.
Okay. Why
Again,
you
I'm
choose
looking.
the top? Because
Sorry.
of QML or something. Because of
Yeah,
QML.
we have QML as well here. And let me show you something on
Okay.
volume here.
Cool. Cool. No, I don't use volume anymore.
No, you it will complicate you, so
Oh.
don't understand this one.
Yeah.
Higher time frame is good. Higher time frame is good. Like you
Yeah.
can see this sponsor can this last retracement, good retracement here. This can be your good point of interest as well, but this got taken out. This one is still valid. This can give you good pips here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Yeah, bro. One more thing, right?
yeah.
One more thing, right? Okay. Okay. Let's say you see here, right? Higher. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. This higher. I mean lower. Low. Right? Then high.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Then price broke here, right? Do you trade the
Lower high,
15
lower high.
minutes?
This one is lower high.
Yeah. Yeah. Low high and low. Right?
Yeah.
After price broke, right? After price broke the low, right? Usually we wait for retracement back to this area, right? But sometimes price don't come back like now, like what's happening now. Do you trade the 15-minute structure or what do you do?
Yeah, I've
After
traded
it broke
50
the...
minutes, 5 minute structure.
Oh, okay. So you keep
Yeah.
trading 15 minutes to go down, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Like if I check overall trend, like on 4 hour, it is completely bullish. But after this last high, price making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And if you see
Yeah.
these areas is still there. Like we have some inducement, like internal liquidity here to be taken out as well.
Okay.
And this last candles have taken out all these liquidities from here already.
Okay.
So this can be your strong low area. Like why this is strong low area? Because this has taken out all the liquidity from here, and we got break and marker structure
Okay.
in here. This straight, and this last low taken out this liquidity as well. So you might see something, some good candle around here for buys, but I think this will hold because this was the last high. It was responsible for this up move.
Okay.
So I think this will
Okay.
hold. So I will look for buys around here.
Okay.
Yeah. And this will be my...
Why don't you think of market might sell?
Sorry?
Yeah, well, I mean, like, if the high time frame, right, this was the lower, lower, lower high, right? And then
Yeah.
lower, low.
Yeah.
Why you won't think like market might sell down, you know, because this is a lower, low.
Yeah, this can happen as well. But you know, internal liquidity, most of the time, internal liquidity has to be taken out. Like these are the sell side liquidity, as ICT said. So
Okay.
this can be taken out as well. Like a price can be made lower low, lower high, higher high, lower,
Oh,
lower high. So this can be lower high as well.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're saying like price have to come back to the extreme.
Yeah.
Always have to
Extreme.
come back to the extreme.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this can be your last target. I'm use this as a target, not for sales here. Like if I will buy here, so this will be my target zone. Otherwise, price
Okay.
can keep coming downside. So no problem.
Oh, okay. So anything can happen, yeah.
Yeah.
The
So
price can come
that's why I'm
here,
saying
or maybe
if yeah,
okay.
if
Yeah,
price
what
is
were you saying?
coming down, so don't look for sells. You can look for buys as well. Following the trend is good, but if you are missing the trade, so you can look for 20 to 30 pips trade as well with some stop
Okay.
losses. Yeah.
It's like when here break the 15-minute structure to go up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, one more thing, bro. Like, let's say this is a 4-hour range, right? The POI, right?
Yeah.
Do you, when price come into the 4-hour POI, right? What do you do? Like, you go to 5 minutes break of structure or 15 minutes
No, I
or
don't
1 minute?
complicate. I don't complicate on 4 hour.
Oh,
Wait. I
how
don't
you do it?
complicate things like I just go on 15 minutes. Like if this is my point of interest, okay. Price is making. If price come exactly here, so I won't take this trade because this can pass. If price is making higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, something this move like here. If this come back here and comes down, then again make some low rational liquidity, then again broken out, then I will look for buys, sells around here. This will be my sell area. Let me show you on GBP USD. I had this breaker as my point of interest. Okay. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Okay, yeah, bro, I'm back.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Like this was my
Sorry,
point
I
of
can't see
interest
your
on.
chart.
This was my
I can't see
point
your
of
chart, sorry,
interest.
bro. Yeah.
Wait. Let me
Okay.
show.
Okay,
Like,
okay.
yeah, this was my point of interest on GBP USD. I shared this chart before.
Okay.
Okay, so that price just came here, top of this block. This was this whole candle, including this last last two bearish candle was my breaker area. I just after I saw some good reaction around here, I was looking for sells.
Yeah.
So you can see this made lower highs, lower higher high, higher low, higher high, and again a higher low, then again a higher high. Okay,
Yeah.
and this higher high
Yeah.
broken out this higher low. So this just became
Okay.
my point of interest, and I just sold there. And after
Oh, so you go to like 30 to
yeah
15 minutes break of
yeah,
structure. Okay.
and I will show you some inducement here as well. Like after closing below this higher low, price has made some internal low resistance liquidity. You can call as inducement as well, like this last bearish candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, and price has taken
But
out this as well, and this become good
price
entry.
can respect it and go down as well, right? I mean,
Yeah,
that area.
anything can happen. So it's all about probability. We can only try
Okay,
our
so
luck.
now, so the main idea is like we look at two POIs, right? This one and the top one, right? Because
Nah,
price might come.
this low is just a liquidity area. This low, I
Oh,
call
how
it
do I
as a low
differentiate?
rational liquidity, because after
Oh,
breaking
okay.
this low, price come back again, and this was my
Okay,
become
okay.
my point of interest. And
Okay.
after breaking this low, this has made
Okay.
small internal liquidity.
Yeah.
So you can see this liquidity can be taken out by this week and just dropped.
Okay.
Yeah.
So SMS is useless. So you're saying SMS is useless?
No,
You know,
SMS is
like
good.
normally-
SMS is good. I use SMS in another way.
Oh, I mean, like normally last time people teach, right? Okay, we might choose 2 POI, but
Yeah.
now what we should think is like the top one is better. Only choose the top one. Is it?
No, that's not like it. You can choose this as well with good risk, with managing risk, and this one as well. No problem with
Okay,
it.
okay.
If your risk
Okay,
to reward is good, loss doesn't matter.
Okay. Oh, so you're saying we don't know a POI will get induced until the market induces it, right?
Yeah, exactly. You can see here, same thing happened here as well. Like this broken out this one. This just bit SMS. You call this as a SMS, and this SMS has been taken out by this week, and just dropped.
Yeah.
So same thing everywhere.
Okay. So we don't know whether it's going to get induced or not, right?
Yeah.
We just can like just wait and see. Okay, understand. I think it's more like a marketing thing, right?
Exactly. Okay, brother.
Yeah.
I'm going out somewhere. I will do something else. Okay, bye. Take care.
Okay.